Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you a heartwarming tale about a wise old donkey, a compassionate farmer, and a lesson in overcoming the odds. Now let's begin our story. Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a farmer with his trusted donkey. This donkey had served him well through the years, but was now enjoying his retirement in the lush fields. But tranquility turned to terror. One fateful day, as the donkey accidentally stumbled and fell into a deep, narrow well.
My donkey has fallen into the well. Gather everyone. We must rescue him immediately.
With hearts full of hope, the farmer and his neighbors tried everything to save the beloved donkey, but all attempts seemed in vain.
It breaks my heart, but he's old, and we can't get him out. Maybe it's his time.
Reluctantly, the farmer decided it was kinder to let the donkey go peacefully, asking his neighbors to help bury him.
What's happening? Oh no, this can't be the end.
But as the dirt fell on him, the wise old donkey had a flash of insight that changed his fate.
If I must fight, I will make each challenge a stepping stone.
Miraculously, with every shovel of dirt that was meant to bury him, he shook it off and used it to rise higher. And just like that, our wise donkey stepped out of the well, not just surviving but teaching us all a powerful lesson. And so our tale concludes with the donkey safe and sound, having shown great courage and wisdom. Remember, in the face of adversity, don't lose hope. Use the challenges you face as opportunities to rise.
Thank you, old friend, for showing us the way.
Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, share it with friends and keep facing your challenges with courage. Until next time, keep turning obstacles into stepping stones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or similar experiences. Stay inspired and see you in the next video.